AutoDS automates Shopify dropshipping, importing products, syncing inventory, pricing, and fulfilling orders from AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, etc. Connect via Shopify private app, secure API key. Takes 5 minutes, no coding. Requires active Shopify store and AutoDS account. $1 tolerant for 14-day trial. Steps, log into Shopify admin. Go to your store, myshopify.com/admin. Settings, bottom left gear, apps and sales channels, develop apps, create an app. Configure app, name, AutoDS integration app. Developer, your email, check permissions, products, orders, inventory, read or write, save, install app, install, copy API, key, in-app overview, API credentials, copy access token, one-time view, store securely. Link in AutoDS, log in to AutoDS.com, stores, add store, select Shopify, paste store URL. For example, yourstore.myshopify.com, plus API token, connect. Verify, AutoDS syncs products and orders, test by importing a product. Tips, EU compliance. AutoDS supports VAT, use price monitoring for dynamic pricing. Security, revoke token anytime in Shopify. Support, live chat 24/7 if stuck.